Here's interesting app, Kiwi Music with Friends. Let's just go through it. It's growing in charts in popularity pretty fast. As you can see here, it is in music charts, just in top 10 apps. It's also in the top 100 apps right now in the US App Store, as I understand. So the whole idea is that you can rate songs sent by your friends. So rate your friends' music anonymously, see your music quality rating on your profile, and the idea is that once a day you receive a notification. For example, like this: send your most recently played song to your friends. You have 2 minutes. So you need to send that, so you can obviously connect Spotify or Apple Music. I just did another video overview, like how would you go with creating an account. And then you just send these music suggestions to your friends during this notification period. So this app is kind of like a Be Real app for the music. Be Real app is right now is going super viral. It's #1 app in the US App Store. It's like a new social media. It's like authentic Instagram, where the whole idea is, again, you just receive notification and you need to post a random photo during 2 minutes. Here is the same, but just with the song. At a random time each day, a notification will prompt you and your friends to share a song and a message all at the same time. You never know what the notification will say, so be ready. All of the songs your friends share show up on a widget for your iPhone home screen. Anonymously give and receive music ratings and see an average music rating score on your profile. So that's what you can see here. And then if I just open it up here, that's basically how the app looks like. You can add friends in the top left, so you can just search friends. Maybe you can just search by username. You can just add them like this. You can also tap invite in top right and invite from your contacts, because when you create the app you just sync your contacts. And then you also have your library, so you can then select some song and then send it to friends, but you have no friends, so you can't send it. Unfortunately I can't demonstrate you this, but that's basically how it works. And when you create an account, it's crucial to enable notifications and make sure that you are receiving notifications and you're just getting them. Also, I signed in with my Spotify account. I signed in. I can see my playlists. Here I can see my profile in top right. I can tap on my gear icon and I can easily log out or delete account if you're concerned about your privacy and your data. And this is here, everything is quite straightforward. So you see your sent songs in the bottom part, meaning these are all songs you have just sent. Then you see your music rating according to friends. So when friends receiving your song suggestions, they'll probably listen to it or not, and then they will rate it if they like it or not. Of course, it's very subjective. It's just for fun. You can have just very developed music taste, or you can like rock. Your friends like in R&B, and you just hate each other's styles. But that's how it works. And then you can just need to add the widget. So just tap and hold on the app, say start jiggling, and then you just add Kiwi. You can see here 2 types of widgets, small and horizontal one. So just adding it here, and then you just see this widget, and here in the widget I think you will see songs sent by friends. In the horizontal widget you can see multiple songs sent. So that's basically that. That's how it's working. And so that's the idea of the app. You can always ask any questions, DM at Kiwi widget. I don't know if it's like Instagram or Telegram, where that is. Probably just or Twitter, maybe just Twitter. It's a new app, but very sweet idea, where you can have these widgets enabled. So that's basically how it is working. Yeah, interesting app. It was viral on TikTok, I think, and maybe it will continue to grow in the charts. Yeah, it's pretty neat idea to send music to your friends as they are receiving it, because anyways, if you listen to some nice song, you can always just forward to your friends in Messenger or something like that. But if you are really a meloman and you spend a lot of time in your Apple Music and Spotify, this is an app for you. And it's also like a kind of a music discovery app, because your friends just checked out some really cool vibe song and they can send it to you. Maybe you didn't know, also in Spotify there is like a Spotify blend playlist where you can create it simultaneously with your friends and you can discover each other's music. Here, yeah, you can also kind of do that, but in more direct way, just by sending songs. So that's the app. Let's see how it develops, if it's going more viral, more popular. Let's also read some reviews. So there are not that many ratings so far. It's just it says good idea, a lot of bugs. Why can I not change my profile picture, and when I try to, it does tell me my username is taken. Good work. When the notifications come, it should prompt you to send the last song you listened to all your friends. Can't change any profile settings. That's a bummer. So when you create an app, you set up your username and that's it. Now I don't see in the app like how do I change my username, and I can't change my profile picture as well. Maybe it will be added in the future, but this is definitely an issue right now. Lack of option. Please add an option to edit our profiles. Is it available on Android? Probably not yet. Some bugs, there are some issues with notifications. Yeah, for example, in BeReal app, where there is an original idea of it, in the beginning there was a huge bug with notifications. People were not able to click on notifications or open the app or anything like that. Then it says add Apple Music. So yes, you can now sign up with Apple Music and Spotify, so that should be solved. Rating music feature, widget won't show up. Some people don't receive verification code. Some people say app is not working. Some people say can't add friends. To add friends, use the search bar to find your friends by username. Others unreceived friend requests will live on the friends page. Amazing and fun. Widget not working. Can't sign up. Can't change profile icon. Yeah, so these are all these like common bugs which are just described, but yeah, you can imagine probably it's not like such a huge team who's building this app. So maybe they're just like working on fixing those, but still the average rating is pretty high for this app. 4.6 out of 5 is pretty nice, especially for new app, meaning that it's a good quality app. So definitely give it a try. If you like in Spotify, if you like in Apple Music, give it a try to this app. And yep, that should be your thing. So other than that, there you have it. I don't know what else to mention here. I'm just also looking to add more friends. Feel free to add me and let's exchange some music. So here's my username at Andre. So just search in this app. Again, you can just search it like this, and then you can request or invite friends. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Please put a like below this video so more people can enjoy it and see it. Comment, add your suggestions, visit my blog mrhack.io, and see you in the next videos.